Hi, welcome to Learn with Jane. Through this video lectures, we are going to study about biosphere reserves in detail. First one we are going to discuss is Niligiri Biosphere Reserve. It is very important because it is the first biosphere reserve in India established in 1986. It is located in Western Ghats, here you can see, and is spread across three states Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, and it includes Aralam, Mudumalai, Mugurthi, Nagarkol, Bandipur and Silent Valley National Park. Along with that we also have Wayanad and Satyamangalam Wildlife Sanctuaries. All are important. Aralam, Mudumalai, Mugurthi, Nagarkol, Bandipur, Silent Valley National Parks, Wayanad and Satyamangalam Wildlife Sanctuaries. So it is the first biosphere reserve in India, located in Western Ghats, spread across three states Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Now let's talk about the vegetation. Talking about the vegetation, we have the moist evergreen, semi-evergreen thorn forest, savanna woodland and sholas. See, savanna forest means we have the like this, we have a trees and they are stunned trees and their canopy will not close so that grass can grow here in the underground. Here, see, this is the savanna that their canopies does not close. If you take the equatorial tree case, you can see their canopies will be closed like this. Okay, here canopy is not closed. Then we also have the shola and grasslands. See, sholas are the forests found in the mountain highlands. Okay, and like this, and in between the rolling grassland means grassland seen in the foothills, the mountainous region. Okay, so we have the moist evergreen, semi evergreen, thorn forest, savanna woodland, sholas and grassland. Okay, now let's talk about the water bodies. We have the Kaveri and its tributaries. So the river you have to remember is Kaveri. Okay, Kaveri and its tributaries pass to the Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve. And then we have the tribal groups like Todas, Kotas, Irulas, Kurumbas, Paniyas, etc. Among this, Todas is very important. Okay, and also this is a World Heritage Site declared by UNESCO in 2012. Okay, World Heritage Site. Now let's talk about the species. Talking about important species, we have the Bengal tiger here, the Indian leopard, we have the Indian elephant, important. Then we have the Nilagiri tar, this is very important. Then we have a lion-tailed macaque. Okay, these species are very important. Tiger, elephant, Nilagiri tar, lion-tailed macaque. Now we saw the basic facts about this Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve. Now let's do a question. Which of the following statements are correct regarding Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve? The Biosphere Reserve, this Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve, the statement number 1, the Biosphere Reserve is inhabited by tribe Todas and Irulas. Irular, we already discussed this is correct. We need to find the correct statement. Okay, then it's spread across three states. This is also correct. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Now,